Hi all, I thought since we were discussing it this morning that I would do a short demonstration on how to go into Escape and look at all of your account balances. So I also have written instructions that I'm going to attach to this email. So hopefully that will let anybody in there who wants to get in there. So the first thing you do is, of course, log into Escape. Then you go to Finance. Then you go to Fiscal. Then you go to Accounts. And you're going to get a little box where you can fill in different types. So the first thing you have to do is fill in the resource. And so I'm going to choose the library discretionary funds, and that should display all of the accounts that I have. And then I'm going to indicate location. And I have two site codes, and the 526 is the one that comes up that will show my accounts. And then, so sometimes you just have to play with it a little bit. And then the fiscal year is already filled in. And then you simply click go, and it's going to search. And now it shows each one of my accounts. Here's my account balance, the amount I have encumbered, how much have already been paid off, and then how much I originally had. And then, of course, it gives me the code. I believe if I open that, yes, I can click on that account and open it. And now I have a printout, or I can print everything that I have spent money on from that account, how much I spent, how much is encumbered, and so on. So it's a really nice little detail to be able to go in. Like right now, I was checking to see what money I had left in my accounts. I wanted to spend every penny I could. So that's how you do it. And like I said, my helper is Deborah Irvin and Fiscal Services at the district office, and she's in the phone directory, and she is always happy to help me when I get stuck, which sometimes I